Hello everyone, Man of Revit with you and a new Revit tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you the basics of creating flows in. But before I start, please like this video if you do and share it to your friends and subscribe to get my new videos because I will make more and more videos from 0 to hero level for free. And let's start. When I open the Revit, I want to first create some walls. So I go from architecture tab to walls or uh, just write WA is a shortcut and you just go to the wall command WA. It doesn't work for some reason. Okay, now we are in walls command, but I just will use the rectangle and make a rectangle of walls. So when I go to 3D, I find it like so. I will go to shaded to see what I create. Then I will highlight one wall and just I will hit the tab key. If I hit tab key, it's easily uh, uh, change the selections that I do. So if I just click highlight one, just when I bring the cursor to one wall, it will be highlighted. Then tab key, so all the walls are highlighted. Then I click, so I now select all the walls, and from here I go to from level one to I want to change it from unconnected to level two. Then I bring the cursor away from the properties panel so it will be applied. Now it's just uh, uh, walls from level 1 to level 2. I will go back to level 1 and now I want to create floors. To create floors, just to go open this menu in architecture tab from panel called build, just to go to floors. If I drop this menu, I will find these options for floors. I will use the first one, and it is the architecture one, and the second one is structural, and this is floor by face in messing. We will talk about it later. And this is floor slab edge if you want to make slab edge, but now I want to use floor architecture. When I hit floor architecture, and I will go to this sketch mode, and now I am in boundary line. Check that you are in boundary line, because if you just flip it and go from one option to other, you will find the two options different. So I am now in boundary line and I find these options to create to draw, and this is a line, so I can go from here. Now I am in level 1, so the floor will be in level 1. This is a construction plane, so I can go from here to here to here like so, and make sure that you finish and connect all these lines together. Then I just click OK. Now if you go to 3D, you will find that you uh, create the flows easily. But I will go to the level 1, 2, and I will turn on the shaded color here also, and I will select the floor. To select the floor from here, if I just click here, I can't select it. That because I make the select by face off, and I will talk about selections and Revit later on. But now, if you just are here and just click, you will find it highlighted, and click tab. Once again, you will find that you now select the floor, and if in the here you will find what I select. So if I am here now, and you check here, now it's walls, basic walls, generic. And if I click tab, you will find a chain of walls or lines here in the left. And if I click tab again, you will find floor. So now I click on it, so it's selected. Here I can edit boundary, and in edit boundary I will prefer to just click all of them and I just delete it. I can also do it by just rectangle like so, or any other options. If I don't want to make it, so I just click here, and I now I am still in the rectangle tool, so I just click modify, and I will delete all of this, and you can just make the floor with these different options. But now I can also pick lines. When I pick lines, I just click pick lines. So now you just can pick any lines of it. You can pick the exterior or interior or center line. So if you just click here, you now in the center line. You can click the outside. You can click the outside, but now it's not in other outside. So if you click modify, you can just click here and drag it to graphically to the outside. Now it's not connected. If you just click OK, you will get a notification. Lines must be in closed loops. So I will continue, and now I want to reach these lines together. So I go to trim extend or shortcut TR, and make sure that it's connected. Now if I just click OK, I will find it uh, completed, and then go to 3D. Now it's complete. I will go back to level 1 and edit boundary, and of course I will select them and delete it. Now I want to use the last options, back walls. That means it's will attach to walls, or pick the walls. So if I just click here, you will find that it's Revit know that it's a wall, and the floor will be here, and here, here, here. And now you find also this little arrow. That means if you want to flip it, you can just click here, and you will find that it's flipped out. But I prefer to leave it as is and just click OK. Now you have also the walls. Now I want to create a wall, a roof, a floor, sorry, a floor to the level 2. How can I do that? I can go to again to level 2, and I just go to architecture, build. I can go to floors, floor architecture, and make the same. But now it will be on the level 2, at the level 2, because I am on the level 2. So I can make it like so. But now in these options, here, right here, I find an option called offset. That means if I just click right 1 meter, it will be 1 meter offset, and you just come from here. I choose rectangle, and you notice that it is an offset about 1 meter from here to here. If you want to flip this offset to the other side, you just click to hit the key, space bar key, so you will find that you can flip it to the way you want, and just click here. If I just click OK, this asks me, would you like walls that go up this floor level to attach to its bottom? I said no, and I will tell you what it means, but not now. So if I go to 3D, you will find now you create a floor, new floor, like so. If I select it again and go to level 2, I can edit boundary by click on it, or you can just select it, then you double click it. Sorry, double click it. Now you go back to the sketch mode. Now if you just click to any shape from these shapes, and you just create any shapes, but inside uh, that rectangle, and click make one sphere also, and click OK, you will find no, you will find that it's a hole on the floor, so you can uh, use it if you want to make a hole, like the holes for the stairs or ramp and so on. So you can just make the hole by drawing a shape into another shape, and you'll find it's clearly a hole on the floor. Now I will make another thing. I will show you another thing. So I will delete all of these, and I will go to level 1 and just go to floors, architecture. And now I will use the rectangle, no offset, and I will make a floor like so. And I just click OK. If I go to 3D, you will find that you are in level 2, and you create, so level, this is in level 1 or 2. I just select it. Now it's in level 1. Okay. Now I want to create another floor, but I don't want to go to floors and make the same, because I want to make the a floor looks like these floors, but in level 2, in different levels. So I want to copy it from this level to another level. So I just click on it, and here in modify, if I want to go to clipboard, you will find here copy to clipboard. If I just click copy to clipboard and I open this door menu of paste options, I will find it. The second one is align to selected levels. If I That means you will can copy any object in Revit from level to another level. So if I just click it, you will find this menu. You just select the level you want to copy to it, and okay, you will find now you have two floors, one at the level 1 and the other one in the level 2. But I want to edit it, so I just double click, so now I can edit it also in the 3D, so I can just drag or just write it here, but I don't want that, so I will control Z, and I go to level 2 I want to just flip it like so to the other side and click OK. In 3D, you will find something like that. And now I want to copy another flow from here to here, to the other side. So I will go to level 2, and if I just select it and make a copy, so you will find here in modify, you will find copy. You can copy it from here to here. And if I go to 3D, you'll find it like so. Now all of them in 3D, these flows on level 2. So, but if I just click on it, I can change it from level 2 to level 1. Now I want to show you something. If I just click here, I found this edit boundary, and we talk about it. Here we will find these options. It's called modify sub elements. That means you can edit it by another way. If I just click modify sub elements, you will find these green lines and dots here for dots. You can add points, and you can add split lines like this, and you can pick supports, and we will talk about pick supports later on. So I just show you how it works. If I just click here and go to a point or split lines, if I just click here and the point, you will find this arrows and this number, and this is the height of these points, so you can make it different. Now all of these flows are horizontal, and now I want to make it different. So if I just click here and I will write 4 meters, and this is the level 2 height. So if I just click here, I will find this and this warning tell me that I should use a different thickness. So I will ignore it now. If I just see it, I will find it like so. I can click it here, this point again, and I will write 4 also. Now I will find that if I click modify, that I make a ramp between two flows. But if I just click Control Z, undo again, I will back here again. If I just click it and modify some elements, I want to just click here and the split lines. If I just click here and I will find I will write 4, the same warning, I will find that it go up directly, so you don't have to write the height on the each points. If you want to 2 points to have the same height, so you can just write the split line and order it to come up directly. So now you have a ramp between level 1 to level 2. You can also add points to it. If I just click add points, you can add points anywhere you want. If I just click here, I added point. I can also modify split elements and just click on it and write what you want. So now it's 2 and 2 meters and 9 centimeter. So if I just click it like 1.5, I will find that it's like so. I can also add split lines, so I just add split lines from here to here. and go to modify split elements and just click here. And now this line is at 1.73. I just click on it and I will make it like 1.6. Okay, and you will find that you can edit and modify your flow as you want. You can add more points, you can add more split lines, you can give a different height to each point and to each line, so you can edit. If you want to reshape this flow again, you just select it and you go right here to reset shape. So if you just go to here, so click on reset shape, you will find it go back. But I prefer in here to just click here and write 4, and you will find that you created a ramp. So now you know all options in flows. Just another thing I want to show you. If I go to level, any levels, I will just create similar. So I just click here and create similar. And I want to make a shape here. This is a floor in level 1. But I want to make another shape, but not inside it, but outside it. So I will go to any shape, like circle, and go like so. And I just click OK. Now you will find that it's one shape. If I just select one, you will find that it's one flows, but uh, every but consists of two parts. So that's what I want to tell you. If I just click double and delete one, you will find that this is the only flow you have. The other options here, I will talk about it in another video. So thank you for your attentions and take care. Bye bye.